This is our room. It's the Calcutta suite, room 242. Let's go in. So we've already been here, so it's a little bit loose, but they just cleaned it, so it should be all right. Kind of. So this is the main hallway into. We'll go over here into the living room. All right. So in the living room area, we got a TV, we got a little couch area, a little desk to do work, and we got even a little dining room table over here. Work your way around. And then even got a second bathroom. Sorry, we have some clothes hanging, but this is a little second bathroom with shower and tub. Alright, we got one nook over here. We put nothing over here. I don't know what we do. Maybe just some keys. And then this is the bedroom. Really comfortable. I'll show you how comfortable.
There it is. Your socks are up.
Oh, wow. Pretty nice and comfortable. So we got this, we got a little makeup area.
This area I really like. It makes getting ready pretty easy.
Yeah, no,
It's all very old-timey, but
yeah,
we've grown to like it. I wasn't like a big fan when I first saw it.
So like this survived like one of the earliest San Francisco earthquakes. So this was one of the few, if not the only building that actually survived. I don't remember what year that was, but yeah, so we're on top of the hill pretty much. So you can see over here, this is the bay over here. And then you can see even over there, there's Alcatraz. Over there, if you look over here, this is like Pier 39, which is a very popular tourist area. Last night, we had the fireworks all in this area, but it was so much cloud coverage that you really couldn't see the whole thing, but you'll be able to see that in the video. But yeah, it's a really nice room. Very classic old place.
TV's very tiny.
They even have a walk-in closet over here.
Closet's
Sorry,
decent. Sorry about
here.
the mess. A nice like long ways mirror.
Yeah, no, it's really nice. Carpet feels really good on the feet.
Oh yeah, carpet is nice. Here's the main bathroom, very similar to the other bathroom.
Yeah. There's a little bit more room. It's a little bit
Yeah, a
bigger
little
than the other
roomier
one,
than
but
the other one.
You have 2 full bathrooms, so that's kind of nice for a 1-bedroom.
Yeah. And actually the like shampoo, soap, conditioner, we've never had this brand before, but the soap smells so good.
It's called like Rose 31, I guess, but like it's one of the best smelling lotions, shampoos, everything that we've ever
it
had.
smells so good.
Yeah, no, it's a really nice room.
It's a nice room. It's spacious. There's nothing really modern about it, but you could just tell you're in a historic sort of a place.
Yeah, so there's a lot of cabinet space over here. Over in the other room, we'll come show you. There's a. So I guess the mini bar is not full right now. They pretty much emptied it out because of COVID. So this is a corner suite technically.
Yeah.
I don't know the exact name, but it's about like 850 square feet. So over here they have a little fridge. Right now we just put our own stuff
in there.
I guess before COVID it might have been filled with like mini bar stuff. Yeah, here we have looks like a coffee maker.
And then the ice bucket.
Ice bucket. What's up here? Oh, jackpot. Okay, so we got the coffee maker. Ooh. Yeah, so it looks like complimentary coffee or tea.
All the fixins. And what was nice is like yesterday we ordered like Uber Eats, but we forgot to ask for utensils. So we just called the front desk and they sent us like plates and utensils and even water. So their customer service is really good here. Everyone's super friendly.
Yeah, no, the room is really clean. The layout is a little bit weird, but they're working with what they got. This is a really old building,
Yeah.
so you know, everything wasn't planned for the new modern stuff. But look at that view. It's probably one of the best views we've ever had.
It's really nice, yeah.
I never knew San Francisco looked like this. I mean, you see some images, but the way the buildings are stacked up.
Yeah, the hills are no joke.
Yeah, visually the hills look beautiful. You know, it's just
It's a task to walk through.
Yeah, it is a task to come up. Like, we walked all the way down to the bottom of this pier, to the bottom. But yeah, not everyone could do it. If you have kids, I wouldn't necessarily.
Oh my gosh, yeah, we were just saying that. I was like, I can't imagine bringing kids here.
Yeah, it'd be
Going
tough
through
to
the
have
hills
kids
are
walk.
so steep, or even like elderly people.
Yeah.
Props to whoever can do it, because it was a challenge.
Yeah, but no, the room is really comfy. Customer service has been pretty good. The gym was pretty nice. It has everything you need. But it's in an old building, you know.
So we hear noises. I swear it's haunted.
It might be these heating systems.
These
over
heating
here.
systems make some noise. They're a little concerning.
Yeah, because the highs right now are like mid 60s, so they still have the heaters running, I guess. So you hear like boiler noises and stuff like that. But overall, it's been really nice. Hallways feel like they're kind of haunted, but we haven't really seen anything. But if you see anything in the cameras, any footage, any ghosts, let us know. Leave a comment. We would love to actually prove this theory right, that there might be ghosts. Maybe former presidents, because every president apparently has stayed here, so we'll see.
I don't think any has died here, but...
Yeah, I mean, they can still leave their ghost over here, but maybe. But yeah, no, we really enjoy this place. The bar downstairs is really nice. The guy who makes cocktails over there, I think his name was Jeff.
I can't remember, but he's a nice guy.
Yeah, he's a really nice
the
guy.
The old fashions here are great.
Yeah, he makes really good drinks over, I think it's Laurel Court. Yeah, so Wednesday through Sunday, the Tonga Tiki Bar is open. So far we haven't been able to go, so hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to go. And that should be a whole different experience. They have usually live music, and they have a pool that was converted into this whole tiki bar. So the pool area usually has like a floating band going along the pool. So that'll be kind of cool to see. We'll probably take you guys tomorrow. Almost positive we will. So yeah, we'll see you then for that. All right, like, comment, and subscribe.